Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from Electrum wallet. First, open your Electrum application. Make sure your wallet is completely synchronized with the Bitcoin network to see your current balance accurately. Then, navigate to the Send tab, which is usually found at the top or side of the main window. This is where you will initiate all outgoing transactions from your wallet. Next, you'll need to input the transaction details. Carefully paste the recipient's Bitcoin address into the Pay to field. Double-check this address for accuracy, as mistakes can lead to irreversible loss of funds. Then, specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can also add a brief description for your own records, which is helpful for tracking. Now, let's talk about transaction fees. Electrum allows you to adjust a slider to set your desired fee. A higher fee typically means your transaction will be processed and confirmed more quickly by the Bitcoin network. Conversely, a lower fee might result in a longer wait. Electrum usually provides a recommended fee, which is a good starting point for most users. Finally, it's time to review and confirm. Take a moment to meticulously check all the details, the recipient address, the amount, and the fee. Once you are absolutely certain everything is correct, click the Send button. Your Electrum wallet will then sign and broadcast the transaction to the Bitcoin network. You can track its progress in your wallet's History tab.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.